In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate paper forms. Whether you're a business looking to streamline your process or just someone who loves making forms, you'll find this practical skill incredibly useful. Let's get started. First, we're going to navigate to your Paperform dashboard. This is the central hub where all your forms are managed, so it's the perfect place to begin. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all its features. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to look through your list of forms and find the one you would like to duplicate. This could be a form that you use frequently and want to replicate for a different purpose, or perhaps one that you're redesigning for a new project. Once you've spotted the form you want to duplicate, look for a small icon next to its name that resembles 3 dots. This is often known as the Options menu. Clicking on this icon will reveal a list of available actions you can perform on the selected form. From these options, choose Make a Copy. This action will trigger the system to generate an exact replica of your original form. It's as simple as that. It might take a second or two for the duplicate to be created, but once it's done, it will automatically open up for editing. Now that you have your duplicated form ready to go, you might want to do a bit of housekeeping. Consider taking a moment to change the title of your new form to something that makes it easily identifiable, especially if your dashboard is overflowing with numerous forms. This small step can save you from potential confusion down the line, particularly when you're sorting through your forms later. This process not only saves time, but also keeps your forms consistent if you're working on projects that require uniformity. And there you have it. Just like that, you've mastered the art of duplicating a paper form. This efficient method makes expanding and managing your forms incredibly easy, and it can be a real game changer if you're repeating processes or content. Always remember to review and update your new form to tailor it to the needs of your next venture. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Hopefully, this has equipped you with a handy tool to use in your paper form adventures. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video.